Hello, David here, and the project for today is making a recovery file for my HP Pavilion laptop. If you follow my channel, you know that I just did a hard drive replacement on the laptop because the hard drive failed. And I thought, stupid me, I never had a recovery drive for recovering the laptop. I wasn't able to start it. So I had a little problem with that. So what I have here is I have a couple of USBs from Sam Data. They're not a sponsor, and I got them on Amazon. They're not a sponsor, but they're very economical. The reviews on the Amazon buyers said that it's a good storage media if you're not running music or videos, because it runs kind of slow, but they said it's perfect for data. So that's perfect for me because I'm just going to use it for data to make a recovery file. And interestingly enough, on Windows, how to create a recovery DVD for Windows 10. Well, you can't make a recovery DVD for Windows 10. You have to use a USB. So let's get started. Okay, that's going to be drive E. Just going to type in create recovery drive. Okay, so I'm looking for the tool to create a recovery drive. Okay, there we go. Okay, connect the USB flash drive. Drive must be able to hold at least 4 GB. And everything on the drive will be deleted. These are 16 GB drives, so I should be good. Okay, how come I can't get anywhere? Plug it out and plug it back in. There we go. Okay, it is now creating a recovery drive. I think what happened before was that the flash drive wasn't seated fully. It's been running for about 40 minutes. It's almost done, and I don't know if the slow speed is because of the slow speed of the flash drive or it's just normal for making a system recovery drive. Okay, finally it's done. Click finish. See what that drive looks like. It's labeled recovery. It's got a boot file and some other files. Okay, that's the end of that. Take it out of there. Just want to make sure it's safe to eject. Anyway, let's take it out. I put a ring on there with a label so I know what it goes to. Okay, I'm on my new laptop, the HP Envy. It's running Windows 11, and I just typed in create recovery drive at the bottom of the screen, and I got this dialog box. I got my my second drive. I'm going to plug that in. It asks me if I want to allow this app to make changes to the device. I'm going to say yes. And backup system files to recovery drive. Click next. Let's see how long this one takes. It's 11:09. I might be in trouble because it said I need 32 gigs and this is only a 16 gig. But I'm running it anyway. Let's see what happens. Well, after 20 minutes, copying the file stopped without any explanation, so I'm starting it again. If it stops again, I'm going to have to get a larger capacity flash drive. Okay, it's been an hour and a half and it's almost done. Let's see if there's enough space on this flash drive. Oh, that's great news. It says recovery drive is ready. I'll click finish. I don't know what happened the first time, but I think what may have happened was the screen went in the screensaver, and I touched the enter button to take it out of screensaver so I could check the progress. And I'll bet the cursor was on the cancel button, and I think it canceled. Let's see if we could find that recovery. E drive. Why is the folder empty? Maybe I don't have the files I need. Let me try ejecting it and reinserting it. Hey, I see what happened. It copied all those files to my D drive, which is the, on the side here, it's my SD card, which I had some important files on there. It erased them all, put them on there, and now I'm trying to transfer it to the flash drive. I got a feeling it's going to say there's not enough space, but I'm going to try it anyway. Okay, it worked. Everything copied over to the flash drive. So that makes me happy. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.